How to fix Discord setup.exe installation error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run installer as administrator. Running the installer with elevated permissions can help bypass restrictions that may block the installation process. If that didn't work, corrupted system files can cause installation errors, and running scans can help repair these issues. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work,